Good morning everyone. In today's maths chapter, fractions, we are going to learn about a comparison of fractions. Comparison of fractions. All of you, take out your course book page number 32. Course book page number 32. See the first one. Express as improper fraction as a mixed fraction. Improper fraction as a mixed fraction. In the previous class already we learned improper fraction. What is an improper fraction? Numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Numerator is greater than or equal to the denominators. As a mixed fraction, we have to write improper fractions as a mixed fraction. What is the first example they gave? 17 by 5. 17 divided by 5. We have a formula. Dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor. Divisor into quotient. Into quotient. Dividend is equal to dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient. What is the dividend here? Dividend is 17. Divisor is 5. When we do division, 15 is going to divide with 5 is going to divide with 17. In 5 table 17 is possible? No. When I use 5 threes are 15. 17 minus 15 it's 2. Here in this formula we have to do as dividend. Dividend is equal to 17 is equal to divisor. Divisor is 5 into quotient into quotient. See here plus 2. It is having a remainder also. It is having a remainder. So plus a remainder. Plus remainder. Remainder means what is the answer are left here in the division. When we do a division, what is the remainder is placed here is in the formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. See, 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 2. It's a 17. So in this improper fraction we can also write is a mixed fraction in the form of mixed fraction. See, 3 2 by 5. 3 2 by 5. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 2. It's 17. So we can write 17 by 5 as 3 2 by 5. 3 2 by 5 we can write. Express a mixed fraction as an improper fraction. Mixed fractions into improper fractions. See, for example, they gave 2 5 by 9. 2 5 by 9. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 5. It's 23. 23 by 9. 23 by 9. Let us see one more example. Express 6 5 by 8 as an improper fraction. 6 5 by 8 as an improper fractions. 8 6 are 48 plus 5. 48 plus 5 is 53. 53 by 8. We can write a mixed fraction as an improper fraction. Improper fraction as a mixed fractions. Here in this example, we have a formula is dividend. We have the formula is dividend is equal to divisor. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Plus remainder. All of you turn the page. Comparing the fractions. Comparison between the fractions. Which is a greater and which is a smaller. There is a discussion between Rahul and Rohini is about a comparison of two factors. Comparison of two factors or two fractions. Fractions means 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Like this is our fractions. Which is a greater? 1 or 1 and a half? 1 and a half is greater. Why? Because only 1 here. And again here 1 and a half. 1 full plus 1 another half. Here only 1 full. Here 1 full and a 1 half. Next 1 and a half or 2. 1 and a half or 2. 1 and a half, 2. Here 1 full and a half 23. Maths workbook page number 23. Which fraction is greater? Write a less than or a greater than or equal to. Less than, greater than or equal to. Workbook page number 23. First one. In this fraction we can simplify by using multiplication process or doing a division. Here I am saying the first process. It is an easy process to learn the comparison between a less than, greater than or equal to in a fractions chapter. See here, when I multiply cross multiplication, when I use cross multiplication here, 10 3s are 30, 3 2s are 6. Which number is greater? So 30 is the greatest number. 30 is a greater number. So you have to put a circle greater than. Always open side shows the big number. Always open side shows the big number. Next one, 12 by 9, 1 by 5. 12 5s are 60, 1 9s are 9 or 9 1s are 9. 60 is a greater. So 60. Next one, 11 by 15, 2 by 15. 15 2s are 30, 11 15s are 15 1s are 15, 1 15 1s are 15, 60, 165. So 165 is greater. So here 11 by 15 is a greater number. So we are using here greater than symbol. Greater than symbol always open side shows the greatest number. Always open side shows the greatest number. Next 1 by 4, 3 by 4. When I multiply using a cross multiplication, see here 1 4s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is a big number. So here 3 by 4 is a greater number. Next one, 2 by 5, 6 by 15. 2 by 5, 6 by 15. 15 2s are or 2 15s are 30, 5 6 are 30. Which one is greater than or equal? They are equal. The both are equal here. 2 15s are 30, 5 6 are 30. So here 30 is equal to 30. Next one, 10 by 3, 2 by 15. 2 by 15. When I multiply 10 into 15, it is 150. 3 2s are 6. Which one is a greater one? 10 by 3 is a greater one. Always open side shows the greatest numbers. 1 by 8, 4 by 7. 1 7s are 7, 8 4s are 32. Which one is a bigger one? This one is the bigger one. So 4 by 7 is the greater number. Next one, 3 by 4, 6 by 13. See here, 13 3s are or 3 13s are 39, 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. So what is the biggest number? 6 by 13 is a greater number. Next number is 6 by 18, 9 by 15. Here 6 15s are 90. Is 90 and here 18 into 9. 18 9s are 9 is a 72. 2 carry out. 7 is a 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 7. It is 162. When 60 is greater or 162 is greater. So 162. So 60 9 by 15 is the greater number. Next one, 56 by 100 or 6 by 100. 56 into 10 is 560. 100 into 6 is 600. So it is a greater than of 21 by 28 and 49 by 56. 21 into 56. 1 6 are 6, 1 5 are 5, 2 6 are 12, 1 5 2 are 10 plus 1 11. 8s are 32. 32 plus 7. It's 39. 2 9s are 18. 1 carry out. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 9 plus 1 10 13. It's 1372. So this number is a greater one. And the next last sums are in the page activity book, sorry, workbook page number 23. Arrange the following fractions in a ascending order. In the form of ascending order. What is an ascending order? Ascending order means small number to big number. Descending order means big number to small numbers. Now see the first one: 6 by 10, 2 by 10, 8 by 10, 1 by 10, 7 by 10. And the denominators are same for the all sums. Denominators are same. So what is the first number? 1 by 10. Next 2 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10 and 8 by 10. Next one 3 by 7, 6 by 7, 1 by 7, 4 by 7 and 5 by 7. Which is the big small number? 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Last one. What is the small number there? They are all having the denominator is the same number. Same numbers are denominators. 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4 and 6 by 4. 6 by 4. What is a descending order? Descending order means big number to small number. Big number to small numbers. See here. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 1 by 5 and 5 by 5. Descending order. Descending order means big number to small numbers. Now 5 by 5, 4 by 5, 3 by 5, 2 by 5 and finally 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Last one. 5 by 8, 4 by 8, 7 by 8, 1 by 8 and 2 by 8. What is the biggest number? 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Now all of you take out your activity book. Page number 19. Page number 19. Divide each figure into equal parts of equal size to represent the fraction given in the below box. First they gave a square here and again 3 squares they gave here. We have to divide equally. The improper fraction gave. Improper fraction. Each box we have to divide 5 parts. Each box is going to divide 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many parts are divided? 5 parts are divided. Each box is divided into 5 parts. 13 by 5. In this improper fraction, we have to convert into mixed fraction. We have to convert this into mixed fractions. So 2 3 by 5. 2 blocks are completely shaded. And in other box, 3 by 5 parts are completed. 3 parts are completed. Still 2 parts are left. 13 by 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 blocks are completed. Each block is divided into 5 parts. How many are left? 2 are left. So 2, 3 by 5. 2, 3 by 5. Next one. They gave us circles. Improper fraction and a mixed fraction. They gave a mixed fraction. 3 3 by 4. 3 3 by 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3. It's 15. 15 by 4. Each circle is going to divide 4 parts. Each circle is going to divide 4 parts. So 4 parts. So these 4 parts are shaded completely. This side also 4 shaded. These also 4 shaded. And this one only 3 are shaded. Only 3 are shaded. 1 is left. So here 15 divided by 4 or 15 by 4. In this next one they gave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes they gave. Eight blocks they give. Improper fraction we have to find. They gave a mixed fraction. 7 1 by 2. So each part is going to divide 2 parts. This or like this we can divide. Each part is divided each block is divided into 2 parts. So here 2 boxes are shaded. This side 2, this side 2, and these are 2 are completed. In the last one, in the 6th, 7th block, only half part is completed or half part is shaded. Half part is shaded. See here. Half part is shaded. So here it is 2 sevens are 14 plus 1. It's 15 by 2. 15 by 2. And today's home task is workbook page number 24. Workbook page number 24. Number lines. Number line 2 by 12. I'm saying the first one. 2 by 12 means 0 to 1. You have to divide from 0 to 1. You have to divide it as a 12 parts. 12 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Up to here only I am concluding it. So in these 12 parts, we have to note 2 by 12. 2 by 12 means 1, 2. Here 2 by 12. 5 by 12. 3, 4, 5. Here 5 by 12. And the next one. 8 by 12. 6, 7, 8. Here 8 by 12. And the last one is 11 by 12. 9, 10, 11. 11 by 12. And today's home task is workbook page number 24. Home task is workbook page number 24. And we can continue in the next class.